Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to charge your phone using your PARTYBOX JBL 320. All you need to have is just USB-A to USB-C cable, but if your phone didn't support USB-C, maybe you should have a Lightning to USB-A or even micro USB to USB-A. So just connect USB-A to your PARTYBOX at the back and USB-C to your phone. And you should also turn on your PARTYBOX. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!